So it's to the town. Russell Smith, Phil Lamb, here at
Shotesham St Mary.
Shotesham St Mary.
Shotesham, we like to call
Shotesham, Shotesham. And here we have it, the medieval church.
It's very nice.
Hopefully it's open. I think it is. A lot of brickwork in there, Russell.
Yeah, last time we came
But
here.
not modern brickwork, so let's take a look. Yeah.
It's old. It's good.
So we've got a west tower, which is apparently mostly of early 16th century, around 1535, during the reign of Henry VIII, just before the Reformation.
That's it.
Or actually during it was already started it basically, hadn't it?
Yeah.
And birds loving it up there, bits of brickwork. Of course, in the Tudor period, brickwork was becoming commonplace.
Yes, that's it. Very Tudor.
Yeah, you can see there from the south porch, Tudor, and a lot of the nave as well. There's a restoration of this church in 1879. So there were many parish churches during the Victorian people. You can see a lot of the brickwork there, especially surrounding the windows.
Yes.
Tudor brickwork, rather than the Roman brickwork you sometimes find in medieval churches. Over here you might have more like napped flint.
Yes.
Chancel is late 13th century. See a bit of a block window in there.
Yeah, but you can see it looks old, doesn't it?
Yeah. See a rainbow there in the distance. Big fan of rainbows, Russell?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Jeffrey. They're very bright to me, not like me. I'm a bit thick, I am.
So everybody, this is his last video we toured the town.
That's it. Before it gets banned.
Or do you want more? There you go, the church in the southwest. See more of the tower there. Is that a hole in there?
Oh, it's
So there's the east end of the chancel.
yeah. It's old, isn't it?
Windows restored 1879.
Yeah.
And we have a chancel coming off to the north, which was built a chapel coming off to the north. It's apparently built in 1495,
Yeah.
near the end of the 15th century. Again with some nap flint, perpendicular windows up there. That
Yes.
brick surrounds. See the chapel from the north side. There's a bit of a blocked window in there. Yes, that's the thunderstorm. It's not my tummy rumbling. I'm getting very hungry. That's the tower as well. Nice little four-centred door. Probably original.
Yeah.
The doorway in here.
Yeah. It's blocked there, isn't it?
Yeah. There's the north side of the nave. A lot of brick in the buttresses especially, but the windows surround as well. It's a strange decorated style.
Yeah.
With the windows there. Bit of an old brick wall over there.
Yeah, it's 18th century, not even older.
Ruined. What's going on there?
Yeah.
It's the wall to the churchyard. I'm not sure what that is. So here we have the tower. 16th century, that big stairwell going up 2/3 of the height.
Yeah.
A lot of brick in that as well. West side of the tower. There's a bit of a blocked window. Is it up there or something else? Yeah. Hole in the buttress there, look.
Oh, right, look at that.
Okay, what are they called?
Squint.
Squint, that's it.
I don't think there is. There isn't. I don't think that is.
So you've got a big four-centre doorway made out of
Yeah.
brick.
I think it's a sort of 16th century, isn't it?
It looks, yeah,
Maybe older.
Tudor. I think the bit at the top, the brickwork at the top was later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're on at slope, 59, isn't it?
So here we have the doorway from around 1200, which is the Norman period had ended and the Gothic period had just started. So you've got the pointed arch just come in.
Yeah, some more bits of stone there on the masonry work with the bench. Pattern on that one.
Yeah, we've got some old masonry, some patterns on, some carvings.
Yeah.
Church open today. Yeah. You see the it's an old door, I'm not sure it's medieval, but it's pretty old.
Yeah.
Look at the knocker there, certainly old stuff.
It's unusual, isn't it?
I don't see this too often. Like a grate with the grille, like a prison door really, isn't it?
So I was thinking.
Prison cell door. Here we are, look, Arliss Church. So, first thing we'll see above Russell's Head, on the south side, just above the south door, is the William IV Royal Coat of Arms, 1834. You can see the other side of the door now. It does look old, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Late medieval, and the porch was built, possibly from the porch was built for the 16th century.
Yeah, could be, yeah.
Start of the medieval period. Wonderful looking old doors. Well, you can see the shutter look on this side, see it?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, still there.
You don't often see that.
No.
There's a restoration of 1879, Victorian restoration, probably where a lot of the fittings came in. Got the 15th century font with the octagonal design, very similar of all the East Anglian style fonts, with lions and angels and shields. Lions on the stem as well.
Very good.
See it there. We do have next door to this church the ruins of another church in Shotesham, which is St Martin's. We have the All Saints, which is also open, but we do have the ruins of St Martin's, which have been cleared, thankfully, in the last decade or two. There you go. And also a fourth.
Yeah, four churches in this parish. Unusual, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like Bartholomew, which is basically just a little bit of rubble left.
Yeah, not much of it left, yeah.
We got a doorway behind Russell.
That's quite old as well, isn't it? Yeah.
Very narrow, isn't it? Yeah. Little centre, which is probably to the stair turret for the tower. I agree.
Bells, yeah.
It's looking west, across the nave towards the chancel. Very wide chancel arch, which spans basically the whole width of the nave.
Yes, it does.
So you've got 19th century benches on each side of the nave. Cantilevers. Windows refitted in the 19th century restoration. We have modern pulpit. We've got a bed on the floor.
Yeah, not sure how old that is.
Nobody trips over that.
Yeah, it's a heavy old thing, isn't it? Someone's ever done stand
try and lift it.
Edward Took is a made it. I can't see a year on it. Made me. Edward Took made me. I was what the date around the other side.
This is 1675, the date.
Wow.
That's one. It's Russell, sort of shrunk.
Yes,
Big organ behind you, Russell, so watch out.
I was always awesome. Yeah.
And behind Russell we have the North Chapel, which apparently was built in 1495 for Bartholomew White. Though it looks almost completely renewed now, doesn't it, to be honest? We've got the lectern here, made out of 17th century
yes.
balusters, communion rail.
Yeah, you can see it, can't you? Yeah.
Looking west, the roof there. Very, very tall tower,
Yeah,
actually,
it's
even
very tall, yeah.
disappearing into the roof.
Yeah.
Nice reredos, 19th century altar.
Older,
Oh, and this looks fantastic, doesn't it?
It looks older.
So we have here
Very decorated.
the piscina. The pictures surrounding it looks, wow, really ornate, doesn't it? Compared to a lot of the ones we see, it's not a simple one at all.
No.
Look at that, beautiful. We've got birds, animals.
Not sure what they are. Monkeys, are they? That looks like a, I don't know, some sort of cat, is it? It's a monkey with that tail, isn't it? Swans?
You've got this sedilia sort of stretching the whole way along there. Coming into the North Chapel.
Looks like
That's where the block window was.
Yeah,
The tracery for
That's the window, yeah. It's
Yeah.
a window there at one time. Yeah.
We toilet in there. We have some stained glass, 15th century stained glass.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Is that there?
Yes, just it, yeah.
Yeah.
That's very nice, yeah.
Nice.
There's the survivor.
Yes, it certainly is, yeah. Angel below that. Above it, there appears to be like a king, and there's
Yeah.
there's a lamb. Of course, it's Jesus. Bearded man.
That's it.
The sun.
Yeah.
Get it closer there now. That's right. So here we have the brasses to Edward White and his wife from 1528. They both died in 1528 from the sweating sickness, which was quite rife, especially amongst rich families.
Yes.
It was Thomas Cromwell's family died of it. Around about the same year, I think.
All right. I never know what it was. I never found out what it was. Sweating sickness there.
No, it killed them off very, very quickly. Yeah. Figures 2.5 feet long.
Amazing.
Got the inscription down there. Beautiful, beautiful survival. Kept under a mat now, so we'll uncover it again, or cover it up again rather.
Yeah, we should put it down.
Yeah, we're fine.
Was that right up to the top?
So we're finished here at Shotesham St Mary.
Yeah.
Weather's brightening up now after the horrible thunderstorms.
Yes. Sun's out.
Yep. Nice church this.
Yeah, it's very nice, yeah.
Brasses.
Yeah, lovely.
Yep, and
Big stained glass.
bit of stained glass as well.
Original, yeah. Coat of arms.
That's font and coat of arms. Yeah, so obviously in Shotesham, if you're
Seen it.
visiting All Saints, come and see St Mary's and the wonderful ruin next door as well, St Martin's.
Plenty here.
Yeah, plenty here and more to do.
Yes, definitely. Oh, those more do. Another 800 or so to do.
A lot to do in Norfolk, yeah.
Yes.
Never going to run out of churches to see in Norfolk.
No.
See ya.
Bye.